This time on building terminology, ceiling joists. Ceiling joists are beams spanning between the walls or other supports which carry the ceiling load below, but it's not designed to carry the floor above. So having a look at our typical ceiling frame, if we remove everything else but the ceiling joists, you can see the ceiling joists make up a fair amount of the actual timber or the members, and they span generally from one wall to the next, or they could be continuous over that wall, like these ones here. They come from this wall across this wall and they finish here. So they're only designed to carry ceiling loads. They're not designed to carry floor loads.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.